Your role cleaning classrooms is important. You are key to providing a clean and sanitary environment to help keep students, visitors, and teaching staff healthy and happy. That is why we at SC Johnson Professional want to help you be successful by providing great products, support materials, and this instructional video. Our goal is for you to be the expert, so we recommend following the SC Johnson Professional Star Clean process by using the following steps. Setup. Trash management. Apply high-quality cleaning products. Replace consumables. Then finish by cleaning all the following areas: high dusting, desks and tables, sink areas, glass and mirrors, whiteboards, monitors, and finally the floors. From top to bottom, dry to wet, and then always finish by working your way out the door. We will now look a bit closer at the step-by-step Star Clean process for classroom cleaning to ensure positive results. Your responsibility begins long before entering the classroom. At the mop closet or storage area, check to make sure you are well organized before getting to your assigned cleaning areas. Make sure you review the steps necessary to do a great job. This video, reference charts, checklists, and other materials are designed to be an aid for success. Have all the necessary cleaning products, protective equipment, signs, cleaning cloths, and tools available. Read all the product directions to ensure proper use. If you have further questions, please talk with your supervisor. Know where to find safety data sheets for the cleaning products you will use. Have properly labeled trigger spray bottles. For a True Shot, this is easy. Just make sure you have all the True Shot concentrate cartridges with you. Fill your mop bucket or floor cleaning tool with water and the appropriate SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Floor Cleaner. Then proceed to your first cleaning assignment. Remember, the frequency of each task we discuss in this video may be weekly, daily, or less, depending on the expectation of your school or facility leadership. When you arrive at the classroom that you are assigned to clean, clearly announce your presence and set up proper signage. When cleaning classroom surfaces, we recommend using a clockwise rotation to clean each room. This practice helps ensure a consistent result every day in every room. First, empty pencil sharpeners. Pick up debris and throw away. Remove the trash and replace liners. Then wipe down trash receptacles. For optimal cleaning effectiveness, use True Shot Disinfectant Cleaner. For stainless steel surfaces, use True Shot Glass Cleaner to help ensure a clear finish. Dust high to low horizontal surfaces. Apply True Shot Multi-Surface Cleaner or Disinfectant Cleaner on appropriate surfaces. Pay special attention to disinfect touch points everywhere in the classroom. Focus on surfaces like door handles, faucets, desks, counters, and remote controls. We recommend each touch point in your school be cleaned and disinfected daily with the SC Johnson Professional Disinfectant Cleaner. Don't wipe the surfaces immediately, but keep them wet to optimize dwell time for cleaning and disinfection while doing other tasks in the classroom. Follow the True Shot disinfectant label to determine how long the surface must remain wet for optimal disinfection. For more difficult soils, use SC Johnson Professional Multi-Surface Cleaner or Power Cleaner. Check and replace paper towels, SC Johnson Professional Hand Soap, and sanitizer. Thorough and frequent hand washing is one of the most effective ways to prevent many common infections. The use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers is also preferable if soap and water aren't readily available. Clean and wipe dispensers with TrueShot disinfectant. If the dispensers are stainless steel, you may want to use the TrueShot glass cleaner to ensure a smooth, reflective finish. Use a damp microfiber cloth or sponge to remove soil. Always follow your facility's microfiber program when choosing which cloth to use in the classroom. Wipe down sinks, faucets, water fountains, and all surrounding areas sprayed earlier. In hard water areas, TrueShot Restroom Cleaner or SC Johnson Professional CLR may be used to remove mineral deposits. If there is graffiti or other difficult soil, it may be necessary to use TrueShot Power Cleaner, Fantastic Max Power Cleaner, or Cream Cleanser to effectively clean. Spray TrueShot Glass Cleaner on mirrors, glass, stainless surfaces, and light fixtures. Then wipe immediately with cloth. Clean whiteboards by initially removing markings with dry eraser. If further cleaning is needed, spray TrueShot non-ammoniated glass cleaner into a microfiber cloth and wipe in a side-to-side motion, not a circular motion. Windex electronic wipes are an ideal solution to gently remove smudges, fingerprints, and dust. When cleaning special surfaces, such as electronic equipment, follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you're using the product on an unknown surface, test it first on an inconspicuous area before proceeding. Next, we move on to cleaning the floor. To remove any loose particulate soil from the floors, you may sweep, dust mop in an S pattern, or vacuum. If necessary, remove gum and other debris with appropriate tools. For best results, use the mop and bucket or other specialized equipment that you filled with water and SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Cleaner before beginning to clean. SC Johnson Professional Heavy Duty Neutral Floor Cleaner is mixed 1 to 2 ounces per 4 gallons of water, 1 to 512 for daily cleaning, and 1 to 256 to help remove even more aggressive soil. If the floor is carpeted, spot clean as needed with SC Johnson Professional's Carpet Spotter using the proper steps, including rinsing. Use your inspection checklist to ensure you did not miss a step. Make sure all your tools and equipment are ready to move on to the next job or into storage. If the floors are dry, pick up signs and prepare for your next assignment. Make sure the windows are locked, lights are turned off, and lock the door behind you when you leave. As you reflect on the job you have just completed, you should feel good. By using the proper tools, high-quality SC Johnson Professional products, and these simple steps, you have made the classroom a clean and sanitary environment.